Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to enable Telegram dark mode. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your Telegram apps on your phone. And then in this page, tap on the setting icon at the bottom right. And in the settings page, you will see the appearance here. Just tap on it now. After, you will see night mode option here. Just tap on the toggle. And yeah, you can see it now. But also, you can tap on the auto night mode here. And you can set it automatically. Tap on the automatic. And yeah, so guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.